So why did Tesla stock drop today after battery day? I'm going to make it super short and sweet for you guys. You guys can watch to the very end of the video if you guys want to. I hope that I earn your thumbs up. You guys can see that I was trading at $430, $440 a share, and then it dropped sub $400. You guys can see right now during the aftermarket trading session market, even after market's closed right now, but it's $395 and $395.34. So we saw a pretty significant drop, and it dropped because battery day was supposed to be an unveiling, right? Or an unveiling, whatever, however it is that you want to pronounce it. One of the things that I feel, and again, please comment down below, with all the craziness that's going with Nikola and their current under investigation for false advertisement, I just think, again, this could just be me. I just felt like Elon Musk during this presentation was a little different. He wasn't as excited as he normally is, and I just feel like he probably felt like he let a lot of people down based off of the hype that I don't want to say he presented behind Battery Day. Battery Day was supposed to be a day where they unveiled, right, an amazing battery that was a finished product, and they would be able to kind of showcase it, and all this excitement was going to be there. It was going to be a revolutionary day, as this was supposed to be pretty significant. It just wasn't. There's two things, right? It's either very close to working for a series of different things that they were supposed to showcase, or some are about 3 years. And I just think that this, again, because of the hype, and this is one of the things that we talked about in today's earlier video, is a lot of people were hyping up Battery Day because there was a lot of attention, there was a lot of eyes in hope that Tesla would be able to deliver. And if I'm not mistaken, Battery Day was supposed to happen months ago, but it was pushed back, right? And it happened today, and I just think that that's why, if I'm not mistaken, it was most likely yesterday that Elon Musk sent out this tweet where he pretty much just kind of tried to, I think, set everyone's standard a little bit lower of what was going to be showcased tomorrow, as in today, right, for Battery Day, and that things were still not where they were supposed to be according to their set expectation for their Battery Day unveiling and stuff like that. I think that although it is a tough pill to swallow for a lot of people, there's so much hype behind Elon. Again, and I say this all the time, and I'm sorry that I sound like a broken record, but think about it. What other CEO of a multi-billion-dollar corporation, a super innovative company, right? Not only SpaceX, not only the Boring Company, but just Tesla itself. Who's more popular as a CEO than Elon Musk? Who's more of a character, has more of a social media presence than Elon Musk? And, there's great things with it that come with it, and there's also very unfortunate parts. I would say now is a little bit more of the unfortunate part, because although there is so much hype behind Tesla, and there's how Justin Bieber had his believers, Tesla has the To the Mars people, where everyone thinks that Tesla's going to go to the Mars. And although I'm super excited to follow up with the progress of Tesla, because of how much hype Tesla has, it goes even beyond Elon, right? This is something that, of course, just, again, drives more attention and drives more hype to a specific stock. And when things become so overbought and then expectation is not met, just like we talked about in today's earlier video, we begin to experience a pullback. So what did I do, for all those that care? What did I do as Tesla stock pulled back today? So I want to show you, right, on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, this is where we were trading at. We hit highs of 450 almost, and then we sold all the way back down. So we dropped a little bit over 10%. I saw this to be pretty good, because not only did Tesla already sell off a little bit based off of previous highs because of the overall tech industry pulling back a little bit, but based off of where we're at right now to what I see there to be the potential of, again, Tesla is still relatively a very young company in comparison to very well-established automotive companies. Those automotive companies, based off of their overall performance for 2020 and Tesla's performance, Tesla has been absolutely killing it. If I'm not mistaken, it has the highest ROI for their stock year over year, right, from the start of 2020 in comparison to any other automotive stock. And does that mean that they've provided the most value? Does that mean that they're the absolute best? No, it's the most trendy, they're the most innovative, and they're the most relevant right now. And all I have to say, and please, I mean this with all due respect, we are deal hunters. And if you're a trader, if you're an investor, I'm telling you this as someone that day trades, right? I'm mainly known as a day trader. My channel is a day trading YouTube channel. But when it comes down to like, I saw the number of tweets under Elon's post after he announced that thing yesterday of people like bagging on him for them losing a certain amount of money, right? Because all they're looking for is their short-term gain. You guys have to understand, Elon's growing a corporation. He's building his like legacy. This is not, he doesn't care about your position. You can complain all you want. At the end of the day, if you're looking for those short-term gains, just like I do on the day-to-day, you have to know that it comes at some form of risk. And if it doesn't go according to plan, then maybe have better risk management. Don't take such an aggressive position size, or don't be someone that is so just obsessive and focusing on, Tesla, although it is very volatile, it's probably the most volatile billion-dollar market cap stock that I know of. You just have to understand that in Elon's eyes, he doesn't care for short-term day traders. Why would he? You're not there for the long haul. You're not investing in his company. You're trying to make the difference based off of the intraday volatility. There's nothing wrong with that, but you also can't, be in to point the finger at someone when you're the one that decided to choose to take advantage of an opportunity when, it was all set on, speculation. No one knew exactly what was going to be unveiled, right? Just like when an earnings report comes out, we hope that it goes according to plan, but hope is a very wishful thing when it comes down to the stock market. So what I decided to do is I bought $10,000 worth of Tesla. So I bought 26 shares and my average purchase price is $398. And what I want to talk to you guys about is this is, in my eyes, the very beginning of where I want to be with Tesla, right? I have my separate portfolio where I want to buy more and more of Tesla. So the more that it sells off, the better deal that I can get. And this is not something that I want to follow up with next week. This is not something that I want to follow up next month. This is, again, investing in the future. So there's going to be their ups and their downs, their good points, their bad points, but I view this as an opportunity. You guys can comment down below what you view this as. I'm very, very sorry. It's unfortunate that your calls obviously are not going according to plan. Whatever it is, the option positions that you took, your short-term day trades, whatever the case might be. At the end of the day, you should always have a plan. You should always understand that there's always some form of risk. If you are trading with too much money and you cannot tolerate that risk, then that's your fault for putting yourself in that position. And it's as simple as that. Don't trade or don't invest with so much money that if things don't go according to plan, you become emotional and uneasy, because at the end of the day, you are the final decision maker on where you choose to put your money, regardless of what ends up happening. So take initiative, learn from your mistakes, and instead of trying to make a quick buck, how about you actually dedicate a little bit of time to understand what to do and maybe what risks are worth taking versus what risks are maybe not worth taking. It's not that buying Tesla at $450 a share was a bad idea. It was just that this news did not go according to plan. So either smaller position size or better risk management. Moving on forward, again, thinking big picture, I view Tesla as more of a long-term investment versus a day trade. That's just my 2 cents. I like day trading ETFs such as SQs and TQs, right? So NASDAQ ETFs, I follow the overall direction of the NASDAQ market and I choose to, do well with that. Other than that, again, this is something that I wanted to invest in long term, and I simply wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Are you excited for what's to come with Tesla, or are you absolutely done with the stock? I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to stay connected. You guys can join our free Facebook group. We run one of the largest free Facebook groups in the world for those who invest and trade in the stock market, with over 291,000 members. And yes, it's absolutely for free, and it's that first link down below. On top of that, I upload new videos every single day. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you tomorrow for the live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit group. If you guys want to join us, it's the second link down below to learn a little bit more about the LPP group. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.